right,
Here we
round
go.
one.
Let's see
Prabal
who
putting his
dictates the
all on
pace.
the line against a very experienced fighter in Thor.
Thor has power in his shots, man.
Man, you can almost see Thor itching for that left kick.
Watch out for Thor's left high kick. That's one of his favorite punches. Kicks, I mean. He sets up that left kick behind that cross. And I hope Prabal is wary about it. I think Prabal has the reach advantage, but I would give the power advantage to Thor. About the cardio, we'll wait and see. We'll see that kick.
That is.
That kick. He needs to be wary about it. Start putting pressure.
Ironically, in his last fight, he was victim to a similar kick at Arturo. But this time around, he wants to set things right. Prabal nearly
Needs to get
escaping
into
that.
Prabal's range and set up that punch, you know. Because if he fights from far, the hands won't land. Because Prabal is more taller, longer, rangier than him. For Thor to land, he needs to set that up that way. See, hide that overhand behind that uppercut. There you go. Now Prabal just understanding the range, looking to counter. Watch out for Prabal takedown shot. There you go. And right on cue. Making Thor work. This is Prabal's game, bro. Prabal is good with cage fighting. He doesn't get tired. But both good exchanges. Good job by Thor with his back against the cage. While
That's not where Prabal wants
them
to be.
boys are exchanging now, guys. This is why we call it the co-main event. Look at Thor with that relentless leg kicks. Prabal needs to do a better job of checking that, man. He cannot eat that too many times. With a proper jab, setting it up. Prabal, I can sense he's trying to set up something. Thor needs to be a little more composed about this right now. I can see Thor is going.
Prabal
like-
distance management is
It's
really
good, but it's a small gloves, Nida. If you clip, you clip, man. Thor needs to settle down on his power a little bit.
That was
Beautiful entry by Prabal. Needs to make that count. Relentless cage work by Prabal, attacking the.
that was beautiful.
This is Prabal's game right now. Prabal has a fantastic jiu-jitsu.
Prabal trying desperately
But
to
don't make
get
no
both
mistake.
hooks
Make no
in.
mistake. Thor is the jiu-jitsu blue belt himself. It's no like it's a walk in the park, bro. This is Thor is right there, man. अलिकति हतार तर थाकेको छैन नि त Thor पनि. He's right there. He's seen that position 100 times. There's nothing new for him. Prabal needs to keeping that jab going.
But this is, let's not forget, this is Prabal, the relentless Gale, who will do this for 3 rounds
What a
complete.
round. What a damn round, guys. Prabal
Let's
looking
go
calm.
for round number 2 of this co-main event between Prabal Gale and Thor Premi. Prabal trying to set
lot
up
of
his
feints.
double leg takedown that he has vouched for.
Prabal chin पनि राम्रो छ. One of the most better chins of our gym, I would say. He's durable, you know, he can take a shot and give one. Thorको right आँखा मुनि अलिकति सुन्ने छ. I wonder कसरी भयो. Good understanding, good circling out.
Those leg kicks.
अब त्यो Thorले त्यो लेफ्ट किक हाई हान्छ हेर ल. एउटा खुट्टामा हान्यो. I don't think Prabalको honestly his leg kicks are his worst of his like artillery. I mean arsenal. त्यो किक चाहिँ हेर्नुपर्छ तर प्रबल अहिलेसम्म राम्रो हेरिरहेछ.
Man,
That already landed, brother. Thor
that
calling
landed flush.
on. That's the mental game. What
Man.
a jab. Good jab. Good jab. Thor is experienced, man. He calls on people with, you know, with mental game. He ate that shot to land that jab back. That's a sign of a true experienced fighter.
Man,
Prabal right there.
piecing up some combinations. Mr. Prabal Gale
Oh, what a
takes
takedown.
Thor down.
He needs to watch out for. Don't let him get up.
Lands a left.
That's 1 minute to go. 1 minute 10 seconds to be precise. Both guys looking game so far. Level change, feints, Prabalko. Thor right there with him.
A well-deserving co-main event between these very technical fighters.
Oh, that just went by his chin, bro. If you get caught with one of those, you never know.
That's a good night.
You never know.
But so far, Prabal maintaining distance very well. Trying to piece some more of those combinations.
To be honest, Thor is getting tired just swinging those punches.
And you can't do that with Prabal.
He's missed all the punches. So missing punches can be really tiring.
This is where
20
Prabal
seconds to go.
excels.
A good position.
Trying to soften up those legs with those knees.
Prabal needs to pull him away, get a body lock maybe. Thor needs to get away from there, bro. 10 seconds to go. I don't think it's wise to be going for the choke.
And gets the...
Finishes the round with a takedown. That's a good look against the judges.
Baby. Bro.
Mutual respect at the end of the bell, guys. That's what I love to see.
Very technical fight between these two so far.
You watch out for Thor's head kick, because I think Thor needs a finish in this round if he wants to take the fight, man. Right in front of Thor's corner, you can hear his cornerman giving some advice. Prabal circling out.
Thor starting to feel the urgency.
The right thing to do. Watch out for Thor swinging for the fences. He knows what to do. Oh! Prabal ate that kick! Prabal ate that kick!
That right on the chin.
Nothing, dude. Damn, Thor's kicks, man. I love these guys' kicks. And he just landed one right on his dome. Prabal right there, unfazed, like Frankenstein's monster, man. Right there. I told you his chin is one of his better things. He's got to recenter himself, man. He needs to set up those takedowns better if he wants to do a better job. But this round, Thor Perme putting on the pressure so far. Good to see him come back from his last round. Probably keep the jab going.
Prabal could...
A check hook by Prabal right there, making Thor miss. This feels like a bull and a matador going right at it, man. Prabal being the matador, Thor coming forward like a raging bull.
Thor really mixing up his
They got
strikes.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Going to the head, to the body, to the leg.
Prabal like a possessed demon right now, guys. Both
We have 1.5
landing
minutes
jabs.
left in
At
this
will.
third and final round.
Level change by Prabal. Gotta work up on that single. Take him to the cage. Work that body lock. Thor doing a fantastic job of denying Prabal the takedown and the body lock against the cage. With
Last
the jab,
Last
making
minute of
Thor
this
pay.
3-round showdown.
With the jab again.
Another jab.
What a jab, Prabal.
This is
Sirupato,
score.
101. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Hey, that was an unfortunate slip for Prabal, but he's right up. Thor Perme right in the center of the ring. Oh, landed that cross. Landed that body shot.
Prabal returns a left
These gentlemen
jab.
are going for it. 40 seconds.
Man, Thor
Setting up
really,
that lead kick. I mean,
Thor really
But
wants to
Prabal-
finish up the fight. But Prabal stands in front of him, still relentless,
he gets the will. Throws a
and lands a left hook.
20 seconds to go.
Thor looking labored, but still trying to get that
Prabal
finish.
running
Walks straight
Prabal
into
running
a
away
jab.
with the fight with his jabs. My God, this guy stepped up his boxing game like crazy, man. Sirupate.
10 seconds left. Another check hook. Another jab lands for Prabal. Another one. This is crazy.
What a performance by Prabal. Stand up, Prabal. Stand up, man.
Crazy
I
fight, man.
think Prabal ran
Crazy.
away with that fight, man. What do you guys think, man? That was, I think, the fight of the night, bro, so far.
I think if we had to just take into account the strikes that were landed by Prabal,
Jab, biggies, jab.
This proves उसका striking मायने के is always
Bro, probably बुझेकै छैन. Your discrepancy in experience was so high coming to it. Like, I'm buzzing with excitement to hear the result.
So that was a good fight, man. That was a good fight. I wouldn't want to be the judges right now.
We have your winner by split decision from the red corner, Prabal